before the musical instruments. What are the musical instruments? Violin, guitar, tabla, ivanni. These are all the musical instruments. Before musical instruments. For example, see here. He plays the guitar. Guitar, it is the musical instrument. Before this musical instrument, we use the word the. She plays the violin. It is also a musical instrument. Before this musical instruments, we use the word the. Before the musical instruments, we use the word the. And next one. Before superlative degrees. Before superlative degrees. Before superlative degrees. What are the superlative degrees? Superlative degrees are greatest, smallest, lowest, biggest. These are all the superlative degrees. Before these words, we use the word the greatest, the smallest, the lowest, the biggest. Before these superlative degrees, these are all the superlative degrees. Before these superlative degrees, we use the word the. And next one. Before comparative degrees. Before comparative degrees. What are the comparative degrees? Taller, smaller, bigger, lower. These are all the comparative degrees. Before these comparative degrees, we use the word the taller, the smaller, the bigger, the lower. Before these comparative degrees, we use the word the. And next one. Before the word church, temple, college, hospital, prison. Before church, temple, hospital, prison. When visited for other purposes. The word the is used before the word church, temple, hospital, prison were visited for other purposes. For example, we go to church. For example, we go to church. Why we go to church? For prayer. For example, see here. I go to church. Okay, చూడండి. I am going to church for meet officials. Generally, we go to church why? For prayer. But see here, I am going to church to meet officials. It is the other purposes. Before these other purposes, we use the word the. Understand? And next one. Before countries with united. What are the countries with united? USA and UK. Before countries with united. and republic. Before the your countries which united, the USA, the UK, like this, and republic. For example, Republic of Chile, Republic of the Chile. Here, see here, Republic. Republic of the Chile is the one of the republic for all. You know what was the Republic of Chile? Before this republic, we use the word the. And next one. Before group of mountains or islands. Before group of mountains or islands. For example, mountains. The Himalayas. The Himalayas. Islands. The Andamans. Like this. Before the group of mountains and group of islands. Before these words, we use the word the. Next one. Before deserts and valleys. Before deserts and valleys. Deserts. Sahara Desert, Thar Desert. Before these deserts, we use the word the. The Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. Valleys. Silent Valley. Before the Silent Valley, we use the word the. The Silent Valley. Before these deserts and valleys, we use the word the. Before rivers and oceans. Before rivers and oceans. Rivers. The Godavari, the Krishna, the Ganga. Before the rivers, we use the word the. And oceans. The Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, like this. Before the rivers and oceans, we use the word the. And next one. Before public places and designations. Before public places and designations. For example, see here, public places, the town hall. Town hall is the public places because town hall, there are so many members in the public. Public places, before the public places, use the word the. And designations. The headmaster, the teacher, the doctor. These are all the designations. Before these designations,